It is true if Balalos are planning for genocide, we must be ready. We are not longer being given good jobs in the central and other part of Uganda. Most of the
watu tunaojikubali ndio tunachungaga sehemu kama hizi. Sio nashinda huko na garagaza mbugani chunga maeneo kama haya hapa hivi ni.
Balalo in northern Uganda must leave immediately. And those who will not leave will be expelled.
A section of
Banyankore who has children with us, they're actually women now. When you send them away, you want to develop the street kids in Amuru, Stroke, Atiak, or Kidi Paris, as I know, or rebels, because we are not going to keep the children without their father.
You're very stupid.